Friends, good evening. Today it is 19th March 2022 around 6 p.m. And every week I used to cover all the indices at a glance. And last week also we did it. And last week, our topic was, market all major indices at a glance, Nasdaq at crucial stage. So this is our topic for last week. And let's see how it reacted from my indicator as well as from Ishimoku front of view. So let's go to the, and few people asked me about gold and silver also. I'll try to cover that. And I don't want to do a lot of research on putting, all the indicators, oscillators, and see where it is having a support and all that. My indicator will be able to catch everything in one chart view. Okay, so let's go to the graph and see how everything reacted on a weekly trend. So first, I will go to Dow Jones. Okay, so this is on weekly trend. Exactly when I said last week, it took exact support from my line. This is my line. Okay, so last 4 weeks before, the exact bottom happened on my indicator, which is 32244, and from there, it was up by 2000 points. But still, this has to cross this line. Okay, this line, and this has to cross this line, which is 35613. And you all know that 21st is a very important day, as I already mentioned for in many of my videos, that all the indices will have this major date, which is 21st March. So 21st March high and low will be the key going forward till April 2022, and the date is 28th April 2022. So watch this. Tomorrow is very, very crucial. That is coming Monday is very, very crucial. I think US market is not working, so maybe next day. That's all. Okay. So exactly took the support from here, from my blue and red. Okay, and from there it went up. And again, if you go to S&P, it broke my system. But the next candle is not close to below this candle. So again, you saw roughly around 6% recovery. And if you go to Nasdaq, okay, so this is what I mentioned. It was at the bottom because it was given a sell. Whenever it gives a sell, the next candle has to close below my sell initiation candle. Otherwise, this is just a fake sell to trap the investors or the traders, and then they will take it up like this. So this is what I mentioned last week. You can go back to my video, which I mentioned last week. Once I get a sell indication in my sell or a buy indication, the next candle has to substantiate, and it should close below the buy initiation, above the buy initiation candle or below the sell initiation candle. Otherwise, it's a simple trap. It's a simple trap for the investors as well as the traders, to lose money, and then they will move the market like this. Okay, and the last week it was 8% up, and it was exactly at the bottom of the Ishimoku cloud, and from there it took a U-turn. Okay, so this is what I covered last week. And if you go to monthly, and I was expecting this number to be touched, but it missed. 12,824 was my number, but it came all the way to 13,020, and from there it reversed. Okay, this is on a monthly candle. So let's go to the weekly. I don't want to go deep into monthly. So Nasdaq, yeah, it survived, but closed below this week low, which is 7th March weekly low. It will be devastating for Nasdaq. Watch it. Anything may happen according to me. Okay. And again, telling we are not out of the woods, even though we recovered in Nifty roughly around 1,500 points. 1,800 points. We are still not out of the woods. The pain is still there, which I already mentioned. Okay, so now let's go to ETH, and it took, this was my blue color and red color. Last time it came, and Ichimoku support was here, and it took the exact support from my red color line, and from there it moved up. And this indicator works in all time frames. The same will happen in 1 minute also, 1 month also. Okay. So that's why I say I don't need to do a lot of work and putting all indicators and oscillator to find where is the bottom. Okay, so now let's go to BTC. Same here. BTC is looking attractive when compared to ETH because the candle is still in green. Candle is still in green. So again, took the exact bottom at my red color line, and from there it went up. Okay, and watch this guy. I really want to see this guy on 29th of March, which is the D day for this guy. Let's watch what is going to happen. Mark the high and low of 29th, in FB and watch it. If it goes above 29th high, simply buy with the stop loss of 29th low. If it breaks below 29th low, simply sell with the stop loss of 29th high. Okay, so watch out for this guy. Okay, let's come to DAX. Yeah, again, same here. See, it gave a sell on a weekly. The next candle has to close below this candle. Otherwise, again, it's a trap. So this candle is not closed below this candle. Once it closed below this candle itself, it is weak. So till that time, it is surviving. So this is why we are able to catch the exact top as well as the exact bottom. And this is cap. Nothing to worry. Ichimoku cloud is there and it is closed above Ichimoku cloud, so nothing to worry. This guy, if you take last time it came, and I've already made the video on US oil. You can go and watch. And my target was 132. It went to 130, and then on the exact date of 14th, it crashed. Okay, so you can go and watch my video on US oil. And last time it came and touched my red color here when it was 63. And from there, you saw roughly around 100% in oil. So this indicator will catch the top and bottom. Okay, so now US oil is over. Okay, Nikkei, tomorrow we will see. This week what we have, we will see what is going to happen in this guy, but this has to cross this level, which is 28,088 on a weekly closing basis, to show strength. Okay, then this was my recent topic. I said it was a very, very crucial stage, and you all know how this pink color works. Okay, so it is at a very crucial stage, and it is also went and touched the Ichimoku conversion line. So let's see what is going to do next week. It is at a very, very crucial stage. So it has to break this and close above the conversion line to show strength. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow in Hang Seng. And coming to Nifty, yeah, it took the exact supported the red color and bounced. And this number, which is very, very crucial according to this study, which is 17,496, but according to me, my number says it is 17,351, 17,424, and 17,576, which is my yearly pivot. Okay, watch out for that number, 17,576, and I've already mentioned everything in my PPT. So you'll have the PPT tomorrow night. Okay, I've already finished my PPT. Okay, and Bank Nifty, same bang on, took the support at the red color, went up. Let's see what is going to happen on 21st for this guy. And 21st, 22nd, and 23rd are all combination date. Watch out, something big will happen. Okay, CNS Auto, exact bottom at the Ichimoku bottom, and then this is my red color and blue color line, and it closed above. Okay, so again this guy has to cross 11,059. Okay, so watch out for this 159. Watch out for this number. Right, then comes to metals. No need to talk about this guy. This was rocking. We all know that. And media, yeah, last time again took the support exactly at the blue color, went up. And FMCG, yeah, this I want to cover a little bit. Again, same thing. The sell initiated on a weekly, and if you go back my video 2 weeks before, I clearly mentioned all indices at a glance that the next candle has to close below this candle. If not, you will see the reversal, and this is what you are seeing. So this catch the exact bottom. Maybe I will show on the top side also when it comes to Nifty. And pharma, exact bottom on my blue and red color. Infrastructure, same exact bottom on blue color and red color, and Ichimoku support is also there here. And CNSIT, no need to talk about this guy. This guy was amazing. Again, took the exact bottom at the red color and green color. And PSU, yeah, it took exact support on 25th February itself, and it is moving above. This guy is looking good. Let's watch. And it is closed above my crucial line, which is 4030. Okay, it cruised over this guy, but now it has to break this baseline. Let's see what happens, in the coming week. And coming to consumer, yeah, again, same thing. Sell initiated, but the next candle is not close to below. All this is a trap. This is a trap actually, and it started moving up. And the critical number is 7030. Okay. And coming to commodities, year on 20th December, it took the exact support and closed above because all the commodities are rising like crazy. So this is looking good, nothing to worry. CNX services, exact bang on bottom at my red color. Bang on bottom at my red color. And CNX PSU. No, this is doing well. It has not even came near to my number. So it is okay. So nothing to worry about it. Right. So CNX energy. Yeah, this is also doing well. So nothing to talk about this guy doing well. Okay. So let's go to gold. As I already mentioned to my gold followers that it is at the resistance because this blue color line and red color line, when it is in top, it will act as a resistance. It will act as a resistance. And that is what is happening. It went up, not able to close above this red color line, which is 2028, came down, and now it is here. And maybe if I go to 1 day, let's see where it is. Yeah, and exactly at my 1 day. Okay, so it should not break below and close below and give a sell call below this 1914. Okay, let's watch this. Then coming to silver. Yeah, I've already covered the silver when it was here, which was 21.89, and from there it moved up. Now again it is facing resistance here. Okay, on the Ishimoku, and if you go to daily, it is good looking. Silver is looking good. I am always bullish on silver, but this is for a long term perspective, nothing on short term. Okay, so weekly, yes, it is at the support on the conversion line. Let's see what happens tomorrow. And okay, so these are the other counters which I watch for my abroad customers. So now let's go to the Nifty and see how it reacted last time on daily. Okay, so now if you see here, this has given a sell call. This has given a sell call on my indicator, and the candle closed below this sell call, this sell initiation candle. It means it is genuine. It means it is genuine. Okay. But from here, market took a U-turn on 20th December, which was our mega day. And from there, it went up, and it gave a buy. So the condition here is, once the buy comes, the next candle has to close above this candle for substantiate the buy, saying that yes, it is 100% bullish. Otherwise, again, it's a fake buy. The same ulta of what fake sell is. So again, here, this candle is not closed above this candle. So from here, 18,300, we came to 15,700. So we are able to catch the fake buy in unfake sell in even 1 minute time frame. Okay, that is what we use for trading: 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes, and all that. But this one will able to catch the exact top, and it gives a warning to us if this guy is not this candle, or whenever, not only next candle, whenever the candle is not closing above this candle, the buy initiation candle, it is nothing but a fake buy to trap investors. And that is what happened here. Everybody went long here and got literally, I don't want to use the word. So anyway, we have seen roughly around 2000 points fall. And this was our mega date in January, 7th March. You can go and watch my videos. and from there we took a U-turn. But now it is exactly in between my blue and red on daily. So now this has to go above this, then cross this Ichimoku cloud, which is 1759, and lagging span has to come out of, it will face a lot of hindrance here. The lagging span has to come out freely, then it will become a genuine buy. Once the genuine buy comes, then it has to give substantiate with the next candle to close above that candle for a real rally. Otherwise, it's again a trap. So please be little careful. And that is what I'm telling you. Decision is always yours. Consult your financial advisors, before taking any call. And same thing when it comes to Bank Nifty on daily. Bank Nifty is looking little weak. So let's see whether Bank Nifty is going to turn the table. Because it is not even went and touched my blue color. And if it goes inside this, it will be a dilly-dally kind of a stuff, because inside the cloud, it is indecisiveness. It will create a lot of volatility, and it will give a lot of pains to the traders. So let's watch how it's going to react tomorrow. That is from next week. I will try to cover the weekly glance, all the indices weekly glance next week. So kindly keep this as your this thing. And Whirlpool, I will put the video on 23rd, because 23rd was the combination date. Once it is done, and why I mentioned that this guy was at the important stage, because very rarely you get a monthly. This is a monthly, and this was the Ichimoku cloud, and it touched exactly my system red color. That is why I said, yes, this guy is in for the U-turn, and we will use our dates. The date is coming on 23rd, I believe, and I have already covered all the important dates for stocks. You can go and watch that video, stocks and dates, where I have talked about all these guys, with the company, the counters which is having, 3 dates in the same month, 2 dates in the same month. I've already recorded that video. The video is available on YouTube. Kindly go and check. And this guy is having a date on 23rd, I believe. 23rd, I believe. So that's why, yesterday, it rocked on it took the exact support on the monthly, and yesterday this guy did roughly around 4%. It went up to this baseline of Ichimoku up to 1681, and from there it closed below. Now it has to go above this 1682 for a rally to begin. So that's why I thought of covering this guy on 23rd. Let's go to the Excel sheet and see when is the date. Okay, just a minute. Because I keep forgetting the date, so that's why I keep everything. Okay, so this is my Excel sheet, and if you go down here, Whirlpool, yeah, it's here, which is 23rd March. 23rd March, it's a combination date. I've already mentioned about this in my stock and dates and stocks video. So kindly watch this guy on 23rd, and GSPL also. I will try to put the video once the date is GSPL. 1 second, GSPL, yeah, 23rd and 24th. Okay, combination date. This is a light combination, but Whirlpool is a definite combination, because 2 dates happening on the same date, which is very powerful. So I will try to cover these guys maybe after 24th. Let's see what happens in the coming week. So whatever we discussed last week on our indicator, how it reacted from our blue line and red line. Market took the support and went up, and this week is very crucial. Let's what it is going to do. And I will try to do my weekly analysis video on Nifty and Bank Nifty and few stocks. In that, I will cover Nifty and Bank Nifty in detail. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly put a like in this, and if you want, you can share it with your friends and relatives. It will be a little useful for them also. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. Thanks a lot. Bye.